Welcome to Module 1.0, Benefits of Daylight plus Fundamentals of Light. My name is Niko Gentile from Lund University, and together with my colleague Pinkamol Mattsson, we are coordinating Block 1, Daylight for Humans, of the NLITED education. In this module, I will be the main instructor, and I will illustrate you some of the benefits of daylight. It's a module that for the first part, at least for what regards benefits of daylight, it provides an overview of benefits but also risks associated with daylight and daylighting design that you will investigate more thoroughly in other modules of this same block but also in other modules of the NLITED education. In the second part of the module, for what I call fundamentals of light, I will be speaking about fundamentals of photometry and fundamentals of colorimetry. If you have no previous knowledge on light and daylight, it's fundamental that you will follow this module because all the terms that are introduced in photometry and colorimetry, they need to be well understood by you as a student in order to be able to follow any other part of the NLITED education. At the end of this module, you will be able to judge and discuss the relevant differences between daylight and electric lighting. Not only why daylight should be better from electric lighting, but I will try to introduce you also to some of the risks that are associated with daylighting design. And then hopefully I'll be able to discuss when and how to use different photometric quantities and colorimetric systems. So I have a full understanding of quantities, units, and what they actually mean for you in terms of perception of light. If we check in depth the module structure, you see that there will be a first sub-module with an overall understanding of what is different with daylight. So it's quite popular introduction to the topic, but I think quite interesting because some concept will be necessary for understanding a lot of information that will be provided in other parts of NLITED education. Then I will use the example of daylight in classrooms to illustrate some of the benefits of daylight in respect to circadian rhythms, well-being, mood, but also energy use. This presentation is based on real research that has been conducted here, field studies that have been conducted here at Lund University. After these first two sub-modules, then it will be time to enter more technical aspects of light, fundamentals of photometry with their definition, their units, their use. There you will have a traditional presentation in form of lecture, and then there will be two other parts which are called capsules, which are extra summary about photometric quantities and low illumination, short videos that provides a summary about everything what said before. And after that, you will have also a lecture on colorimetry, dealing with color perception and CIE colorimetry system, and in very important concepts that will be needed in the rest of education, like the color of light sources and what is a spectral power distribution, SPD, what is correlated color temperature, CCT, what is color rendering. And I will also introduce you on how or which system are used to represent or describe the color of surfaces. So enjoy this module. Good luck with your NLITED education.